Hey guys, so I'm pretty excited with my new package today. What I have today is some carbon fiber trims, and these are inserts that you could just put right on over the current panels. You don't have to take anything off. There's little two-way adhesives that you could just peel out and stick on there, and it comes with basically the whole kit. I mean, there's a whole lot of stuff. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested, but we're going to give it a shot and see what it looks like. All right, so let's just pan a really quick before shot. Steering wheel, panel, let's go center console, other side, AC vents, and door handles. So let's do the new carbon fiber inserts. So first, I'm going to wipe everything down with some alcohol wipes to make sure it's clean, and I don't leave any kind of residue on it. All right, so let's start with this guy right here, this door handle thing. Take a look at it. Looks really nice. So it's got this double-sided tape, so I'm just going to fit it in first before I do it. Make sure I don't mix up any left, right, or back or anything like that. All right, so that's the way it's going to look in there. So let's take out the adhesive and install it. Got tweezers. Let's install it. That was really easy. Let's take a look. I think it looks fantastic. So here's the old color trim, and here's the new carbon fiber trim. So let's do it to everything. All right, so this next piece, I'm going to be covering up a little bit of this orange trim, which I actually really like, but it's not all covered up. So just this little part on the top, which makes sense. It needs a full piece to fit on. But so let's install that. Beautiful. Okay, I am done. Now, the hardest part of that was actually taking off the adhesive. The parts fit really well, so it wasn't really hard to take off at all. Let me zoom in, take a look at the trim. I think it looks really good. The center. So overall, I'm really happy with the way it looks. Everything looks great. Gives it a really nice custom look. Look in the back. Back here also. Of course, it's the same thing on this side. Anyways, I'll leave a link in the description for it for you.